Okay, Jess, what are we about to do?
Well, it's called Operation Ratatouille. We have a rat living in our home currently, and just like Timothy, he's living rent-free.
Rent-free, everyone.
Which is not okay with us. So, we looked up some homemade rat poison remedies because we don't have any of the real stuff. So we're gonna put some onions and pepper by his little vent entrance point, because those make his lungs expand so he suffocates.
Yum.
We also have some Tide Pods.
Yes, very good.
We're getting hip with the kids and the memes, and we're gonna mix the Tide Pod with some food, and that will hopefully maybe poison him too.
Wish us luck on our journey.
Wish us luck.
To more success. We're coming for you. Dale, do you have anything to say about Project Ratatouille?
Did you actually use a Tide Pod?
We're going to. Okay, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. We post new videos every Thursday.
Please leave your comments below about what we should do next.
Week. We appreciate all your support.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna cut up some onions. As a fun fact for the fans, I don't cry when I cut onions. It's a pretty cool thing that I can do. So if you ever need someone to cut up your onions, please just give me a call. I'm hardly ever busy, and will work if you will pay me.
Okay, wait, Jess, tell the viewers what you're about to do.
We're really going for it. At first I thought this was kind of a joke, and then I realized we were both serious about this, so I'm truly going to go shove a bunch of pieces of onion into our rat hole. We've had better ideas in the past.
I can barely move. Ask about me. I'm gonna bust a move.
Okay, I have the peanut butter. And I'm going to mix it with Tide Pod.
Tide Pod.
But we don't have any disposable plates or anything, so I'm using Dale's empty French fry box. Shout out to Dale for not throwing out her shit.
Cheers.
And then once the mixture is all complete, I'm gonna leave it on a piece of bread and sprinkle it with some cheese for our rodent guest.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Less Pests with Jess. Times two. We're here making a peanut butter and Tide Pod sandwich. For those of you who may not know what that is, it's just peanut butter and some Tide Pod on a piece of bread.
Wait, there's still one more thing we need to add. You gotta garnish.
Yeah, because just peanut butter and Tide Pod, that's not a fancy meal. That's not going to intrigue your audience.
Well, since this meal is gourmet, we are indeed using PC mac and cheese blend.
Oh, now you got the bill. That's cool though. Oh, now you got the gas. Oh, now you wanna laugh. Oh, now you need a cab. That's true though. All you do is
Final product of our
Where are we gonna put
peanut
it?
butter, Tide Pod cheese whole wheat bread sandwich. Only the very best for our friend Rex, who we refuse to name because we
You just wanna spend
So for this one, we thought it would be interesting, to say the least, if the rat were to bite into the Tide Pod, and then the Tide Pod, all over the rat. So we're just gonna leave it like this and then just like sprinkle more cheese on it.
Yeah.
So the rat is like, oh, cheese. And then bites into it and bites into the Tide Pod.
Tide Pod? Never heard of her. Cheese file? Absolutely. Perfect.
Okay. We're about to put our final touches on Operation Ratatouille. Jessica Katzman, can you please explain what's happening?
Yeah, so we're gonna basically litter our house with pepper. My theory is that we just kind of fuck it up, in a sense. Or for the kids, heck it up. Just to make sure that the rat really knows who's in charge here. Definitely us, not it at all. So, just so everyone is clear about what our plan was, it's really what some might call a 4-course dinner. For the appetizers, he's got some nice cut onions and pepper as like a little fancy top thing, but also pepper in general is like a totally other side dish. And then we get to the pile of cheese that covers the Tide Pod. That's really like a first entree kind of thing. And then moving over here, if he gets this far, we hope he doesn't, but if he does, it's a beautiful culinary masterpiece. I think this is really like the desserty part of it, because the peanut butter really brings out the Tide Pod and cheese flavor. And the cheese is really a nice garnish and finish for the whole wheat toast.
That is it for us.
Yeah.
Maybe you can see us. Who knows?
Who knows?
And we will update you with how this went. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning in. Tomorrow will be a new day. Will any of this get eaten? Who's to say? Who's to say? All right.
See you next time.
Signing off.
Bye.